This is a vintage Singer, model 1591. Serial number is AJ463375, which dates it to 1950. It's been completely rewired and runs pretty strong. You can see the light passes the tapping test. It's functional. And basically I'm just going to show you how well it stitches. To start, we got 6 layers of denim, which are already stitched once for a photo used in the ad. See, it does good on slow and fast speeds. It's got a pretty good speed. Next I got 4 layers of medium thickness soft leather, typically found on leather jackets. Oh, and I think I forgot to show. Well, I'll show you here. Equal stitch on both sides. Also forgot with the denim, I think I forgot to show you. A little harder to see, but equal stitch on both sides there. And then finally I've got 4 layers of vinyl upholstery. And again, the same thing, these were already stitched once. Equal stitch with one little blip there. Should have adjusted with the vinyl upholstery a little different, but there you have it. The machine runs well.